How to download FIFA 22 on PS4. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download FIFA 22 on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically I have FIFA 19 already, which I downloaded via my CD, and if you want to get FIFA 22, in that case you have to open your PlayStation Store. Once you simply open up your PlayStation Store, at the very top you can find a search box where you can simply search for FIFA 22. So right on the right hand side you'll be able to see the FIFA 22 game, and it'll also be the Ultimate Edition, and depending upon what kind of edition of FIFA you want to download, you can just go ahead and select that. Now one thing also that you have to keep in mind is that FIFA 22 is not a free game, which means that you will not be able to basically download it for free. You have to pay a certain price. So right over here you should be able to go ahead and then basically download the game over here by simply selecting all of these options over here, or you can simply go to this PlayStation option and then you should be able to go ahead and then download this game respectively by paying a certain amount of price. This way you'll be able to download FIFA 22 on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.